Hello and welcome to HotStone Media. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change a pollen filter, also known as a cabin filter, on a 5 Series BMW. The filters are located under the footwell of the front passenger side behind the glove box. There's a cover you'll have to remove. It is attached with torque screws. After you've taken off all 3 torque screws, the cover should come off. After you have taken the cover off, you should be able to see the pollen filter housing. There are 4 more torque screws you have to open in order to get to the pollen filters. After you've taken all the screws out, the cover should come off and you should be able to see the pollen filters. The pollen filters should just slide out. After that, you can install the new pollen filters. They both should just easily slide in. After that, you can put the filter housing cover back. After you've tightened all 4 screws for the filter housing cover, you can start putting the footwell cover back. After you've fitted the footwell cover back and you've tightened all 3 screws, you should be all done. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the content, please like, subscribe and share. I will need as much subscribers as possible in order to continue. Thank you for watching my videos.